Good morning, children. Let us continue our class. Today's class, yesterday's continuation. Now also we are completing our first chapter. Recap, quick recap, isn't it? So let us begin with our 26th question. In 26th question, what they are telling? Cost of gift. Diya is a girl. She bought some items from a shop. Which are the items she bought? First she bought some gifts. How much rupees for it? 706.50 rupees. Then she bought some confectionery items. What is the cost of it? Rupees 356.25. Next she bought some decoration items. How much rupees for it? That is rupees 109.80. Okay. Then they asked you how much things she bought? 3 items she bought. So what is the total cost for her? The total cost for Diya is to add the 3 together. You just add the 3 together. When we are doing a decimal addition of decimal numbers, you add decimal parts first, column wise. 5 plus 2, 7 plus 8, 15, 1 balance, carry over to this side. Okay, point, then 167, 30, 22, 2 balance, 7, 7 plus 3, 10, 10 plus 1, 11. How much? Rupees 1172.55 rupees. Okay, but in that question, they told you that, but instead of giving this much rupees, Diya gave him how much rupees? 1800 rupees. She gave 1800 rupees to the shopkeeper. So surely she should have some balance, isn't it? She should have some balance. So what is the balance given to Diya by the shopkeeper? How to calculate the same? How much she gave? 1800. And point, because this is a decimal number. So 1800 has no decimal. So what we do? 0.00 you can place. Minus of, and this how much rupees? The total cost, that you write it below. Okay, then when you start subtraction, same as numbers case, what we have to do? We have to borrow from the whole number part, isn't it? So borrow from here. 8 becomes 7, this become 9, 9, 9, last digit become 10. And 10 minus 5, 5. 9 minus 5, 4. 9 minus 2, 7. 9 minus 7, 2. 7 minus 1, 6. 1 minus 1, 0, not required. Isn't it? So we can write how much rupees given to Diya? Rupees 627.45 rupees. Okay, let us move to the other question. Continuation. Amount shared by 4 children is given as rupees 908. For a debate competition, there are 4 winners. So, the prize is equally shared to how many? 4. What is the total price? Rupees 908. And it is given to how many of them? 4 children. So, what we have to find out what is the amount given to each child. Amount given to each child, or one child got how much rupees. For finding that, what we have to do? The total amount divided by 4. We are sharing it. We are sharing it, or we are dividing it. Okay. So division we have to do. So apply long division method. 908 by 4. Think about in 9 how many 4s are there? 2 4s are there. 8. 9 minus 8, 1. Bring down 1 digit 0. In 10 how many 4s are there? 2 4s are there again. So we have 8. Subtract 2. Bring down 8. How much coming? 28. In 28 how many 4s are there? 7 4s are there. 7 into 4, 28. Okay. So how much rupees given to each one? Rupees 227. Next question is convert into seconds. We need to convert the given time into seconds. Given time is 6 minutes 29 seconds. So we need to convert only this minutes to second, because 29 is already given in seconds itself. So 6 minutes can be written as how much? 1 minute is how much? 60 seconds. So we multiply 6 by 60. Plus there is no change, goes to 29. 6 60s are 360 plus 29 together is 389 and the unit is seconds. Okay, that much seconds. Next question is convert into days. And 7 weeks, 15 days, we need to convert it into days. So we need to convert only this weeks into days because 15 is already in days. So how to write? 1 week is equal to 7 days. So 7 weeks equal to 7, that is 49 days. Plus 15 together is 64 days. How many days? 64 days. Next one is 30th question. We need to add the 3 different times are given us. 3 different times. Which way? Days, hours, minutes. Like that way they have given 3 different ones. We have to find the total. How to add these 3? When we are adding these 3, keep all the minutes in one column. All the hours in one column. See the hours column when we are putting it. See there is only 6 hours given. These two are 2 digits. So where do we want to put 6? Don't write here. That is wrong. You have to follow below 0 itself. Okay. Then here days. Okay. Then we can add. Let us begin our addition. Same method. You add the 3 numbers. So adding the 3 numbers, we have the answer as 105 coming. 105 coming. Always when we are representing a time, minute, hours, everything, we have to consider below 60 like that way, isn't it? Minutes means we have to convert it into below 60 we need. So this is more than 60 coming. So what we have to do? Think about how many 60s are there. There is only 160. So you subtract 60 from 105. So what will be your answer? 45. That 45 you keep it in which column? Minutes column. So 45 minutes completed. Actually we have subtracted 60 no? And take that 60 to our next column. Take that 60 to our next column. And next column total is 36 we have. And this 60 when it is moved to 60 minutes, when it is moving to hours column, it will become 1 hour only. It will become 1 hour. So we have 37 hours. We got 37 hours. Now think about the next column. Next column is days given. Okay, 1 day means how many hours? 24 hours. So you subtract 24 from 37. So we have how much? 13 hours. And balance 24 we can take to this column. So when 24 hours is taken to this column, what will happen in 1 day only? 24 hours become 1 day only. And here already we have 22. And this one total 23 days. See the conversion. Minutes actually 105 minutes. We have to make it into 60 should be subtracted and moved to this column. So after 60 subtraction we have 45 minutes. 60 to this column become 1 hour only. So this total plus 1 is 37 now. Isn't it? Then take this 20 again. 37 hours to days means 24 hours. Isn't it? So we need to convert again. Subtract 24 from 37. We have 13 hours and you remove this 24 to this column. What will happen? It will become again 1 day. So total how many days? 23 days. Okay. Let us move to the other question. Let us continue my children. That is next question is our next question is which one? 31 question. Isn't it? 31st question is 16 hours 48 minutes 25 seconds minus of 7 hours 24 minutes 40 seconds is given to you. In case of subtraction question, if there is a word from, after from which number is coming, that you have to write it first. That's why we have written 16 hours and 48 minutes 25 seconds first. Isn't it? Then we wrote 7 hours 24 minutes 40 seconds below. And see the column of seconds. When we are doing subtraction, we can see that these two. When we are doing subtraction, we can see that This 25 and 40 when we are considering, 25 is a small number, 40 is little bit big. So is subtraction is possible? No. Carry over 1 is possible, but see the columns. This is the column of seconds and this is the column of minutes. So carry over is possible only for the whole number, not digit by digit, isn't it? Carry over is possible only for the whole digit. That means not for 5 or not for 2 is not possible. Together for 25. And see the conversion. Teacher is taking 1 from 48. So 48 become together as 47. That I told you digit by digit not possible. That column full we have to replace. So together from 48 you take 1. So it becomes 47 now. Clear? And 1 is moved to this column. This is 1 minute actually. When it is moving to the column of second, how many seconds it has? It is 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Isn't it? 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. So 60 plus 25 you have to add. 60 plus 25 you have to add. Total number become 85 now. Then start our subtraction. 5 minus 0 is 5. 8 minus 4 is 4. 8 minus 4, 4 is. Now we have 47. 47, 7 minus 4, 3. 4 minus 2, 2. And here 16 minus 7 is 9. So 9 hours, 23 minutes, 45 seconds. Is it clear? Let us move to the other question. Convert the following. And there are two questions. First one is 9287 kg into gram. Kg into gram. Kg is a big quantity. Gram is a small quantity. So when we are doing conversion from big to small, we need to multiply. We need to multiply by multiples of 10. How many tens required there? We need how many 10? Thousands required. Isn't it? 10 into 10 into 10 required. That is 9287 into 1000 equal to, how to read the number? Insert comma. From word to word, right to left. First period consists of 3 digits. Then 2 digits each. So 92 lakh 87,000 gram. Okay. Next one is 6,770 liter into milliliter required. So again same as previous one. Liter is little bit big and ml is little bit small quantity. So multiply by 1000. So we have 67 lakh 70,000 milliliter. Next one is solve the following. And first one is addition of different weights. Addition of different weights. So when we are doing addition, first number is given as 668 kg plus 45 gram. The other one is 225 kg 19 gram. Third quantity is 500 gram only. So when we are adding the three, what we have to do is gram means, gram portion means how many digits are required? Gram and kg when we are comparing at a time, we need how many places? Three places needed, isn't it? So we have to insert 1 0 here. Here also we need to insert 1 0. Then we can start our addition. Which way we will add? Add the numbers. See, teacher didn't add it. You have to do it as homework. Okay, just do it as homework. Add it. 9 plus 5, 14 will come. Then again, when I actually I didn't leave space for the same. That's why. Okay, if you want, you can add it like this. 9 plus 5, 14 will be coming and 1 carry over. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 1, 6 will come. And in this column, number 5 remains. And here kg and here 13, 9, 8. 8, 9, 3 kg and 5, 64 gram. Okay. Let us move to the other question. Meter and centimeter. Addition of meter and centimeter. So there is 387 meter, 20 cm plus 399 meter and 25 cm is given. The